Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M22 and let me share with you how to soft reset, so how to force or restart your device. So if you've got the situation that the device do not respond to any touches or swiping, then you can force restart it, and thanks to this it should get it back to its normal state. So all you have to do is to simply press the power button and volume down button together and wait until you will see the black screen and you will feel the vibration. So let me do it. Let me press the volume down button, which is right here, and also the power button together, and let's wait. And we have to wait because let's pretend that we cannot tap on anything, and as you can see the screen gets black. I just felt the vibration and we can see the logo of the developer, so it means that the device will be restarted and it will probably work perfectly fine. So actually this is it. This is how to soft reset your Samsung Galaxy M22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.